We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with the Lexmark B2338. With this printer, there's about 2 places that the jam could be, or 3 actually. If you see it right here in the tray, then just easily and gently pull it up and out. Another place it could be is under your toner and your drum, so you'd need to pull both of those out. You just use these green levers here and that'll get that bad boy out. If the jam's under here, you would lift this up and grab the paper. Yet again, you want to gently lift it up and gently pull. Don't yank, don't pull really fast. Go slow when you're pulling it out. If you do those things, you could damage a sensor or rip some paper off in there and result causing jams, more jams. So, when you're inserting your drum, make sure you follow the guides. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. The next place you want to check is going to be the back, right here. If you see the paper here, it should be pretty easy to remove. Just pull it up and out. Anytime you're removing a jam, make sure you pull slowly and gently. That way you don't damage anything and cause more printer problems. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.